These are the most effective ways to make money that I've found. They include jobs that you can do from home, stocks, crypto, all of the money plays that I see. I'm going to give it to you in less than 10 minutes. Let's get it. Walk with me. All right, first things first, we actually started the weekend off making over $1,000 with cards. So assets are assets. Don't let nobody tell you that whatever your hobby is can't be turned into money, because we made $1,000 off of cards. Shout out to Cam Newton, Russell Westbrook, and Aaron Rodgers. Appreciate y'all boys. Oh yeah, and Anthony Edwards. All right, we coming in hot with Nvidia. This is the stock of the week, of the month, of the year. This stock is booming, and I just wanted to show you one of my favorite resources where I get a lot of news is Twitter. Those of y'all who've been rocking out with the stocks over the years, you know we go crazy on Twitter, and one of the dopest platforms or sources is Yahoo Finance. And you see Nvidia, they have here some of the information about the stock that's helping it perform incredible. It has a stronger hopper cycle than expected, the Blackwell chip bright spot, and the system's contributing to big order numbers. There's a lot of orders going on here, and Nvidia is cooking. Let me continue to show you. So when I go to the homies on Yahoo Finance, you see Nvidia on the day is a bit down, right? But we know historically that this stock has been cooking. And you see some of the people are already working and ready for the options trading, because right now is the earnings report for Nvidia. And for those of y'all who don't know about stocks, I'm not saying I'm a guru. This is not financial advice in any way. But one thing I have noticed is that every time people give their reports on their earnings, the stock typically goes down that day, unless they far exceeded the expectations from the last year or the last quarter. So Nvidia had some still doing their earnings. So people are waiting right now to see what the option market looks like. And you still see right here that Nvidia is still a top AI investment opening up the bid. And this article was only written a couple hours ago. So you can go here and watch the whole video if you want to. I'll put the links to everything. All of the articles that's mentioned will be linked in below. But I want you to understand that Nvidia is still cooking, and it is still one of the biggest chip semiconductors, it is still one of the biggest chip manufacturers in the entire world. And it is the leader in AI. And y'all know how we feel about AI. And with that being said, we understand that Bitcoin is on the fire right now. This shit is cooking with hot grease, cooking. Okay, so we're sorting this by the biggest assets in the world, and you see the 10th biggest asset in the entire world is what? Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is on fire right now, $63,000 at the moment of recording this video. It's Monday morning, Monday AM, and you see over $1 trillion market cap for Bitcoin. So those of y'all who think it wasn't important or popping, I'm going to show you why Bitcoin is still lit. Okay. We talked about this in previous videos, but it's very important that you know who has the most Bitcoin and where the hell is it at. So you see, MicroStrategy has the most Bitcoin mined in holdings, period. Tesla has come into the mix. You got Mara, my favorite, which is ticker symbol MARA. This is how we're going to get paid. It went from $4 to now it's cooking. You see, Coinbase has a huge market share, and Riot. But what they're not telling you is that there's another company called BlackRock that has it. And I want to show you something. Bitcoin 2010, 8 cents. 2013, you see $1,000. 2017, you see, and then 2021, you see 64,000, 63,000 right here in 2024, and then the projection is 150,000 by 2026, right? So here's some ways that we can use Bitcoin to get wealthy, perhaps. What we can do is simply look where the attention goes. See, what I did was, even like I do on Instagram, I don't run and chase the attention anymore. I simply go to where the attention is, and then I ask how I can get some of it. BlackRock is one of the biggest people in the world. They influence so much stuff that happens in our world. And guess what? They just so happen to be the biggest shareholder of all of the Bitcoin, because guess what? They're the biggest shareholder in MicroStrategy. They have the biggest in Mara, Riot, and all the others, right? So if we know that, and we know that the biggest Bitcoin shareholders are Michael Saylor, Elon Musk, and Larry Fink, who is the CEO of BlackRock, then that means we can simply follow BlackRock, and wherever they put their money is a high chance that that's where we can put our money, because they're making it. They're living in real life, getting bread. And as you see, I had this ChatGPT. As you can see, I had ChatGPT break down the current holdings for who has the most Bitcoin. And then I had it break down BlackRock's growth in crypto over the last couple of years. And I want you to see, 2018, it was low to none. You see 2020, 2021, 2022, it's growing. 2023, wow. 2024, very high. Now they owning a lot of stuff. This is not a coincidence. And as you see, these are some of the things that just go into how BlackRock is hedging and being a leader in everything, because right here it says BlackRock's involvement in crypto space is a significant factor for the market's overall behavior. So if you follow on where the big dogs go, you have a high chance of going where the big dog money is. Let's move on. Okay, in other news, you see they're still giving out free Rona tests. If you want one, you can get one from the post office, and they start that up in September. And at the same time, China is going ahead and cooking because their clean energy goals are booming, and it probably has something directly correlated with how their economy is booming as well. Let's go to the next thing. Okay, I got a job for y'all. Now it's time to get paid. This is another way we can get paid by a website called PlayPush. Now, I'm going to send you the exact website you need, the link, so don't worry. You could become a curator. So what you're going to be doing is getting paid to listen to music. No, it's not fake. You see it. It's broad daylight. This is a real website. Real followers, active listeners, organic growth. And even if you want to get your music grown on here, you can actually sign up to get your music listened to. And at that same time, you can sign up to become a playlist curator. And this is as simple as it goes. You join the network, review the song, and then you get paid to grow your list. It's simple. And these are some of the companies that have used it. So you can see it's no cap in my rap. These are big companies, NPR, Fortune, Wired. You could join right there. Let's go on to the next job. Okay, the next job is we work remote. So this is trusted by Google, Amazon, Basecamp, all of these amazing companies, and it has nonstop listings of jobs. Mostly these jobs are tech and sales, but they do have all sorts of things. High ticket closers, researchers, marketing, etc. There's no shortage. So I suggest you check this site every day because it's constantly updating with new jobs you could do from the crib. You hear me? Whether you're a developer or you just do customer service, you can get paid out here. So this has been today's video. This is Money Mondays. I will be bringing y'all stocks, money, anything that revolves around paper. Every Monday we tapping in, we locked in. Y'all got my word. Let me know what your favorite part of this video was. Let me know what your favorite stock is that you've been investing in. And let me know some different ways you're using to make money. AI is the way. If you want a one-on-one call with me or you need your business to start making money, it's in the description. Other than that, I love you. Stay tuned until next time. Stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. I love you. You did.